Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Lost the manual to your gazebo and don't know what to do? Don't sweat it. Today, we'll guide you through setting up your gazebo from scratch. Trust me, you won't need an engineering degree for this, just a can-do attitude. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Prepping the area. Before even thinking about beams and screws, make sure you've picked the right spot for your gazebo. Level ground is essential here, folks. Use a level tool, clear debris, and you're good to go. Step 2. Identifying parts. You'll typically have a roof canopy, posts, beams, a roof cap, and anchors in your gazebo kit. Lay them all out and get familiar with each part. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Step 3. Setting up the frame. Grab a hammer, screwdriver, and screws. Start with the 4 main beams for the canopy frame, and then attach the posts. Easy peasy. Place your canopy over the frame, and secure it with either Velcro or screws, depending on your gazebo type. Step 4. Securing the gazebo. For love of summer barbecues, don't forget to anchor your gazebo. Use sandbags for hard surfaces and ground stakes for soil. Give it a gentle push. If it stays put, you've nailed it. Step 5. Personalization. Now for the fun part, make it yours. Add some mosquito nets, hanging lanterns, or even potted plants for that extra flair. Congrats, you did it. Now go ahead, enjoy some quality time or morning coffee in your brand new gazebo. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel Gazebo. Until next time.